So in this video, you're going to learn how to extract audio from video as well as how to export audio from a video. So you can export just the audio of a video using your Capcut PC, and I'm going to be showing you how to do these two things. But the first thing you need to know is that there are two major ways of doing this, and the first step to do this is to import the video you're trying to extract the audio from. So this video I just imported now has no audio in it. It's a tutorial I made, a CapCut tutorial, and I'm just going to add it to the timeline. And now I want to add an audio from a video I made in my camera, so I'm going to import that as well. So CapCut won those 2 rounds. So obviously this video has an audio and this video doesn't. So what I want to do is extract the audio from this and add to this timeline here. So what I'm going to do is simply drag this to the top here and then right click on my mouse while on the clip, like click on the clip, right click, and then go to extract audio here. And now the audio is here and the audio has been separated from the video. This is where the audio is and this is where the video is. Now I can delete this video here and this clip would still have the audio. Let's play and see. And InShot also has a premium. So use the editing app for. So that's basically how to do it. Another thing you can do is if this is not exactly what you want, you just want to extract an audio from just one video and export it, all you need to do is go directly to audio and then go to extract audio, import the video you need here, not in the other place. And now it has been extracted directly and automatically. So if you just need just an audio for a video, this is the method to use. And now you can add it to the timeline, click on export, and then I already ticked here, but usually this is how it looks. And then when you tick here, it would only export your MP3. Just click on export and that's basically how you do it. So this is how you export and export audio from your video. So once this is exported, it only exports the audio and not the video. Make sure you give me a big fat thumbs up and share this video. Sharing is even way more important to me than liking it. So if you love me and you like what I do, please make sure you share my videos and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.